Hello everyone, my name is Nagharjun. I have completed my Bachelor of Hotel Degree Management in Dr. MGR University. I'm a 2021 passed out student and I'm currently a chef working in Germany. My ship name is MS Excellence Princess. Being a chef, I earn about 21 lakhs per year and travel expense and accommodation, food, everything is managed by the company. So I save money and send it to my parents. I wanted to become a chef. I'm a 21 passed out student. So within 1 year, I got a job in Germany and I work with many international chefs. I have my executive chef who's a Romanian. He teaches me everything. The faculties of JR guided me a right path. So we had practicals every day where the chefs used to teach us from what are the basics. I didn't know anything. So from the scratch, MGR brought me up and it was very helpful for my career. Got a reference through my college where my faculty helped me to get a job in Germany, which gave me a good career. I would like to thank all the faculties of Dr. MGR University who gave me this opportunity, and I would wish all the students very best for their upcoming career.